tomato based jollof rice.
Made with parsley, capers, anchovies, garlic, pickled onions.
Little children that have not eaten chicken from January know that they're going to have chicken in December. So